Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a toothless surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our toothless surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners of my paper, and I'm going to give it a nice fold down the middle. Next, I'm going to line up the corners one more time, and I'm going to give it another nice fold. Now, when I open this up, I've got these nice little guidelines that show me where to keep the inside of my drawing. And I always like to turn my paper like this so I can open up my surprise fold. Now, to start off with Toothless, let's begin by drawing the eye. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by making a big line that's just going to curve up and down like this. And then I'll make another one that's just going to come down and then up. Now, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's going to go down and then up in an oval shape. I'll put a small oval at the top, and then just go ahead and color the rest of this in so we have a nice little reflection up there. Next, let's draw a little line that curves around the top for the eyelid. And then right here, I'm going to make a little line that's just going to come up and then in for the nose. And then I'm going to draw a line that's going to come up, and I'm going to bring it back here. Starting here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to go down. I'm going to come over and then up to here. Next, I'll just curve a line down for the neck. Now, starting here, I want to make the ears. So I'm just going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come up, and it's going to curve down. And I want to put a few little bumps at the bottom. So I'm just going to make it a little bumpy right across here. And then right here, I'm going to take the neck and I'm just going to curve it to here. Next, I'm going to make a little black dot for the nose. And then I'm going to draw a little spike here, and then another one right there. Now, I'm going to make some little spikes on Toothless. So I'm going to make some small spikes on here, and they're just going to slowly start to get bigger as they come right towards the top. Then right here, I'm going to make another little spike that comes here. And then another one that's just going to come right down here. And then right over here, I'm just going to make a few oval shapes just to show that there are some scales over here. And I'm going to put a few up here as well. Now, when I open this up, I want to show you how to draw the inside of our Toothless picture. Now, once we have it open, we have two halves of Toothless. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to bring this line down a little bit, and I want to bring this line up, just past the fold. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to bring this back. And then I'm just going to curve this down and connect it to here. Next, I want to add some of his teeth. So I'm just going to begin by making some small, kind of rounded little teeth here. We'll put some up here, and then we'll put some right across the bottom too. Next, I want to draw his blast on there. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to begin by drawing a line that's just going to come out here, and then a second line out here. And you can see it's skinnier here and then bigger up here. Now as I get out here, I'm going to start putting some big points out here. I'm going to curve this around, and I'm going to do the same thing, just some different size points on here. Now, right here I want to make a tongue, so I'm just going to draw a line that's going to come down. It's going to come out and then back to here. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve down. It's going to jump over the blast and come right to here. And then I'm going to make one more. I'm just going to curve this down and bring this right to here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Toothless Surprise Fold. So when I have it all folded up, I have Toothless just looking pretty innocent, and then once you open it up, he is shooting his fire blast. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.